Hello, this is my first impression review of the OLIGHT I3T EDC flashlight. I've been using it all day today in situations where I would normally use my phone, and I found it to be a lot better. Took a little bit to get used to the two different modes on the flashlight. Pressing it twice to turn it on to the high setting. There's my cat. But after a short while, I learned that if you half press and then full press, you can get it straight to the highest mode, like so. Just by half pressing it, you can hold it on and then releasing to turn it off. And as you do that, it cycles through the two different modes. So you can do this. Don't know why you would want to do this, but it makes it very easy to go to whatever mode you'd like, and then just press the button in to confirm that mode. And I must say, this flashlight is a lot brighter than I expected it to be for this size. And it's super nice at night if you don't want a super bright flashlight. You have this little low mode here. But if you really want to see down your hallway, for example, this is plenty of light. And I think I got mine for 17 bucks on Amazon. This is a great deal.
Okay, so I'm into budget EDC, and I've been carrying this OLIGHT since I bought it, honestly. I have quite a few other, pocket flashlights, and this is kind of my go-to now. It's got some little decent patina, as you could see, but that's because I literally use this thing a lot. But, it's got the two different modes. It's compact, literally fits in your wallet. This thing is just really cool. I really love this flashlight. OLIGHT makes a great product, and battery life could be a little bit better, but for the most part, just one AAA battery and you're good to go. I've dropped it, I've used it in the rain. This thing just works.
So this is the flashlight that I got from Amazon from Streamlight. Very nice and tiny, about 3.5 inches tall, a little over ½ inch wide. And the flashlight that I was carrying was another Streamlight. It was a Streamlight ProTac 2LX, a little bit bigger in the hand. It was kind of big. And the second problem that I had with it is you have to have these certain Streamlight batteries with it. But one thing I do like about this flashlight is it only takes one single AAA battery. Very fantastic. You can see the AAA right on there. So yeah, that's what I like about this little flashlight.
It's extremely bright. Look at that. This thing is really bright for the size. I definitely highly recommend it, and it's definitely my favorite flashlight.
Very erratic. Oh, there we go. Nope, it's not staying on. If you hold it down, it stays on, but as soon as you let it go, yeah. And sometimes it doesn't even work.
It's got dim and bright. It's perfect though. Fits right in your key pocket. Boom. Perfect.